get the letter D sound. Letter D says D, D. Try saying it with me. D, D. Now let's explore some words that have D sound in them. Dance, duck, dog, drum. Feel free to add on your words in the comment box. We have already covered so many letter sound videos. You can check the videos on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. If you like our content, you can subscribe and follow us. We are also open for enrollments for phonic course for teachers. For more information, visit our website phonicvani.com. From there, you can order our worksheets also, which are very helpful for kids to practice phonic sounds and reading mastery. Thank you for watching.